this time we're talking about words. I'll show you what I've done. Every word has the same A sound, but they have different spelling. Example, in the AY letters, the words are way, stay, play, tray, spray. In the AI letters, wait, aim, pain, fail, snail. In the A and with the silent E letters, the words are plate, shape, came, game, fake. What? Have you seen my tutorial? They have different pronunciation, but the spelling of some of the same things are like different, like AY, AI, and like that. But they have the same spelling and different spelling. And the same sound. I'll teach you more next time, okay? Bye!